Welcome to Carrot. I'm Mallory, Carrot's Customer Education Manager, and in this in-depth Getting Started video, you'll learn the basics of how to navigate our website platform and built-in marketing tools, where and how to find additional resources for support and assistance with getting your website set up, and so much more. Now, before we get started, I want to let you know that this video is a deep dive into the Carrot platform, so it's a little on the longer side. But we've broken this video up into chapters so you can skip ahead, and you can also refer to our Getting Started guide in our Help Center. This Getting Started guide also has other shorter Getting Started videos that dive into specific aspects of our platform, like editing a page with our visual editor and how to customize your Carrot website design. So if you want to jump ahead, feel free to refer to that guide in our Help Center. Now let's get started with exploring the Carrot platform. First, you'll want to log into your Carrot account. Just head over to carrot.com to log in. Once you're logged in, you'll be brought to your account dashboard. It'll look something like my screen here, although if you have not yet created your first site, or if you only have one site, it may look a little bit different than mine, and that's okay. If you haven't already done so, go ahead and click where it says to add a new site. This will bring you into our site creation process. Follow the prompts on the screen as we ask you some questions about your business focus and the primary local market areas where you do business. We'll use that information to create your new Carrot website. A few things to note here. In the step where we ask you to select your business focus and site content, this will determine the type of site we create for you, whether that's a real estate investor website to attract motivated sellers, a home services business website like an HVAC site, or a hybrid real estate site. You'll be able to customize the look and feel of things later, but what you choose here will determine the written content that we pre-populate your site with. In the step where we ask you to select your target markets or main geographic areas that you do business in, we'll use the location that you set as your primary market to pre-populate your homepage and other areas of your site with that location information. If you tell us any secondary locations here, we'll use that information to automatically create location pages for those secondary cities. This information about your primary and secondary locations is one of the main ways that we automate some of your SEO, search engine optimization. You can always add secondary locations at a later time via our auto location pages feature. If you're not sure yet, just set your primary market for now. Once you've gone through site creation, we can start diving into the Carrot platform as a whole. Now, I'm going to walk you through our full dashboard and how to navigate our system so that you're familiar with everything. But if you're ready to get going with editing your Carrot website, we do have a few other short video tutorials dedicated to exactly that. Be sure to check out Carrot's Help Center or our website tutorials playlist on YouTube to learn how to edit a page with Carrot's visual editor, update the image on your hero block at the top of a page, or how to customize the look and feel of your Carrot site. Okay, now back to exploring everything that you can find within your Carrot account. When you first log into Carrot, you'll land on your account dashboard, similar to what you see here. If you have more than one website with us, you'll see all of those sites listed. To get into the site dashboard, click on where it says Dashboard for the site that you want to edit. This dashboard is where you will edit and manage your Carrot website. The navigation on the left-hand side will bring you to many of the tools that you'll use to edit and update your website. We'll cover those in more detail shortly, but first I'd like to take a few moments to show you how to navigate the different helpful areas of the Carrot platform, as seen in this top navigation. Let's explore this navigation menu starting from right to left. First, if you click on the circle in the top right corner, a drop-down will appear. Here you'll find links to manage your account, profile, billing, and team members. Account will bring you to that dashboard where we started from with all of your websites listed. If you need to change your password or email address, you can do so inside of the profile link. Billing is where you can manage your membership subscription and add on additional tools or features such as premium designs or additional sites. If you need to add team members, such as a virtual assistant or a marketing team member, so that they can access and edit your website, you can do that via the team members link. To the left of that avatar circle is a notifications bell icon. This is where we'll announce the latest product updates and improvements. If there are new unread notifications here, a red dot will appear on the bell icon. Next, the phone icon is where you can schedule a one-on-one video support call with us if you have our premium support add-on. These premium support calls are a great option for you if you prefer a lot of personalized hands-on support and customized feedback from our team. If you'd like to add premium support, you can click on the phone icon or go into your billing area to manage your membership and add the premium support to your plan. To the left of the phone icon, you'll find a link to our Help Center. Our Help Center is a great 24/7 self-serve resource full of tips and tutorials available day and night. You can search for a specific tutorial, view popular topics and frequently asked questions, and more. We even have a vast library of coaching call recordings where you can access in-depth videos about topics like search engine optimization, SEO, content marketing, and more. When you're first getting started with your Carrot website, we do recommend checking out our Getting Started tutorial, as it covers everything you need to know during the first few weeks with us at Carrot. Anytime you're using our Help Center, if you find an article helpful or if it doesn't have all of the information you were looking for, please give us feedback at the bottom of the article because it helps us improve our Help Center. When you're logged into your Carrot account, whether you're on our Help Center or in your own dashboard, you'll notice a blue chat icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. If you can't find what you're looking for by searching our Help Center, you can click this blue chat icon to send us a message or ask us a question. Our live chat support is available Mondays through Fridays, 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. Pacific, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern Time. During other times, like weekends or nights, you can also send us a message via email support, where we typically respond within 24 hours. Next in our orange navigation menu is our Marketplace. If you prefer to be more hands-off with your marketing, Carrot's Marketplace is full of in-house services and trusted vendors to take care of things for you. Want to outsource your PPC and Facebook ads or SEO services? You can connect with recommended marketplace vendors to take care of it for you. We also provide in-house services to customize your new Carrot website and make it stand out. We offer 3 different hands-on website setup options to choose from if you would prefer to have things done for you. Our Quick Start service is the lowest priced option, where we'll take care of the most important basics like updating your site's colors, adding your logo, attaching your domain name, personalizing the auto reply messages that go out to your leads, and more. This low-cost service does not include any content edits or custom design elements. The Quick Start Plus option is a bit more advanced. It includes everything in the Quick Start, as well as the creation of 5 location pages, some additional personalizations, design elements, and content updates. The Quick Start Plus option also includes 1 personalized strategy session to help you know how to succeed with your new Carrot website. Finally, our Concierge setup provides a done-for-you website with all the bells and whistles. This is a great option for established real estate investors who are ready to ramp up marketing efforts once the site is launched. Next in the orange navigation, you'll find trainings, which is a link to any paid trainings you may have previously purchased, such as our 3 Leads Per Day course. Next to that, we've recently added a link to our new built-in call tracking feature. Please note, if you're looking for the link to our content library, you can still access it via the content section in the left side navigation. Carrot's new call tracking feature is now included with all Carrot web subscriptions, so you can easily track call data. For many Carrot members, nearly 50% of their online leads come from a phone call. All Carrot plans now include 1 free phone tracking number, and each additional number is just $3 a month. Next in the navigation menu, we'll find a link to our community. This will take you to our official Carrot Facebook group, where you can chat with peers and other real estate professionals and gain insights on business and marketing strategy from industry experts. Beside that, in the orange navigation menu, you'll find a link to our Keyword Explorer tool. This tool is part of our SEO Tools add-on. Not only does it let you find keyword phrases to use in your website's content for SEO visibility, but it also lets you spy on competitor websites to see what they rank for. Be sure to check out our Help Center and tutorial video about how to use this tool for keyword research to learn more. Finally, you'll also find a link to Carrot CRM in this main navigation menu. If you're new to real estate investing, we offer a free CRM plan that's seamlessly integrated with your website to help you get started. Our Essential, Scale, and Team plans can support you as your business grows. These paid plans come with included setup support, where our team will handle setting up lead integrations for you during a simple kickoff call. Carrot CRM's automated outreach sequences can free up your valuable time, while the Actions dashboard can help you stay on task to close more deals. One of the CRM features our members can't stop raving about is property reports. You can quickly and easily check out nearby comps and property data to help you evaluate your potential profit. Be sure to check out the Getting Started guide to our CRM in our Help Center to learn more, or check out any of our paid CRM plans for hands-on setup support from our team. Now that we've covered the basics of navigating the Carrot platform, let's dive into a few more basics about editing your site. At the far left corner of the orange navigation menu, when you're working on a specific site, you'll find the name of that site and the URL and link to that site. Here in my example, you can see that it has myname.carrot.com as the URL, That's because I haven't attached a custom domain yet, which is one of the first things that you'll want to do when getting started with your new Carrot website. If you go back to that blue chat icon down at the bottom right corner of the screen that I showed you earlier, you'll see that along with the ability to send us a message, you also should have a site setup checklist. If you click in to open the checklist, you'll see how we've provided guidance to explain all of the steps that we recommend doing when you're first getting started with your site. And the first one is to attach your domain. In each of the steps in this checklist, we'll link out to resources where you can learn how to do each of the steps. You can mark the steps as completed when you're done to keep track of your progress. For this first step, to attach your custom domain, you'll head to the settings area on the left-hand side of your site dashboard. When you click into settings, the general settings tab will appear. Here, you should confirm that all of this information is correct. In particular, I want to draw your attention to these fields marked city you do business in, state, and zip code that you do business in. These will be used to automatically pre-populate the information into various parts of your website via the use of shortcodes or bracketed bits of text. We have a great tutorial video that explains shortcodes more in depth, but for now, just know that anytime you see bracketed information like market city or market state appear while editing your website's pages, that information is pulled from this area in your site settings. You should also add a business description in this field of your site settings. The business description field is very important because it will be used by Carrot's AI rewrite tool to personalize your content and make it unique to your business. The better the business description, the better the AI rewrite results will be. You can learn more about how to create a great business description on our Help Center, where you'll even find a link to a free AI chatbot tool that will help you create a personalized business description that you can copy and paste into your site settings. To attach your custom domain name, such as awesomehomebuyers.com, head over to the Custom Domain tab in your site settings. Here you'll see that we've linked out to some help articles about this, but if you hit any snags with this process, our live chat support is a great option for helping getting your domain set up. You can contact them by clicking that blue chat icon at the bottom right corner of your screen and sending us a message. Once you've attached your domain name, continue down the website setup checklist. For now, let's head over to our content overview so I can show you a few more things that you should know. To get to your content overview, click the content link in the left side navigation. The content overview is exactly what it sounds like, a quick snapshot of all of your published pages, blog posts, auto location pages, and more. From here, you can add a new page, add a new auto location page, or even use our niche authority builder tool. Here we've also included links to helpful tutorials on our Help Center so you can learn more about how to be successful with our marketing platform. If you scroll to the middle of this page, you'll see a snapshot of some of your key content. The home page of your new website will be marked with an indicator saying that it is the front page of your site. Here, you can click in to edit this page or to preview the page. Let's click in to edit the home page. Now in this example, I've already customized some of the design elements. I walked through that entire process in one of our other Getting Started videos about how to customize the look and feel of your Carrot site, so you'll definitely want to check that out. But I want to call attention to a few important things to note while we're here together on a home page. One of the first things that we recommend doing is updating the background image in the hero block at the top of your homepage. Here we've already done that. The hero block is this block at the top of the homepage with this background image. I click the block and you can see that it is selected because it is surrounded by this orange line and this settings toolbar appears above it. Once the block is selected, you can navigate to the sidebar settings over here to upload a new background image. I've already done that, but if we wanted to replace this background image with another one, we could remove this existing background image or replace it with a different one. If you don't see these sidebar settings while editing a page, simply toggle this back and forth near the top right corner of your screen. This opens and closes these sidebar settings. When you're working inside of the page's visual editor, you can similarly click into any part of the page to begin to edit the block or block pattern, and you'll see that a toolbar appears, and this will be different depending on what type of block or block pattern it is. There are blocks and block patterns for all sorts of things. These are the drag and drop magic for how you can customize and edit the pages on your Carrot website. We have heading blocks, paragraph blocks, column blocks, and lots more. Each of the blocks has its own settings as displayed above in the settings toolbar and on the right in the sidebar settings that you can use to customize your website further. Now in the sidebar, you'll find the settings for any given block that you've clicked into, but you'll also find the overall page settings for that entire page. If we scroll down in the page settings, you'll find a section called Unique Content. This Unique Content tool found in the Pages sidebar settings will help you know how different your page is from the pre-written template that we provided for you when we created your website. For your website's homepage, we generally recommend making this at least 50% different from the template. For other pages of your website, we recommend making them between 30 to 50% different at a minimum. This is because your business is special and unique, and we want to make sure that your website reflects that. By taking the time to add your own original information about your business and expertise, you'll build trust and credibility with website visitors to turn them into leads and deals. But you'll also improve the chances of ranking highly in search engines. However, if you publish a page but leave it at 0% unique or a very low amount of unique content, you'll likely see negative impacts to your SEO and marketing efforts. Luckily, our new AI rewrite tool makes personalizing your content quicker and easier than ever. It can now rewrite up to a whole page or as little as a single line of text. You can get unique and personalized content in minutes based on your company's business description that you've added in the site settings. We recommend taking the time to personalize your homepage as soon as possible by using the AI rewrite tool and adding your own original information. One thing that I'd like to call your attention to here is the short codes that we mentioned earlier, such as market city and market state. When editing your pages, you'll see these bracketed short codes often. However, if you preview a page as a visitor will see it, you'll notice that it's automatically populated with the market city and market state that you told us you primarily do business in. These short codes help us to automate some of these search engine optimization basics for you. So we recommend not removing any information that includes these market city or market state short codes. One of the best ways to make your pages unique is to add additional content. Built-in block patterns can make this easy. So if you click on the orange plus sign in the top left corner of your editor, you'll have access to all of the blocks and block patterns available to you. Our block patterns make it easy to add specially designed sections where you can build credibility for your business, showcase your team, talk about solutions that you provide to your clients, and much more. You can select one of these block patterns and drag it into your page, and then edit the written information inside of it to fit your own business. In addition to adding your own unique content and adding additional block patterns with information about your business, you can also use our built-in AI rewrite tool to rewrite some of the templated content as needed. Carrot's new AI rewrite tool is specially designed to preserve existing shortcodes and search engine optimization elements like H1 and H2 headings. Our built-in AI prompts were created with the real estate industry in mind, and they take the business description that you add in your site settings and use it to personalize the content for your unique business. On this site, you can see that I've added a very in-depth business description, and then I used it to rewrite my homepage. You'll have multiple options when rewriting content on your site. You can rewrite an entire page or choose text to rewrite. By default, the rewrite tool will personalize your content based on your business description, but you can also choose from other rewrite options like simplifying the text, making it longer or shorter, or even fixing spelling and grammar errors. If you told us secondary market locations when creating your site, we've created some auto location pages for you to get you started. You can find those listed in your content overview or click into the auto location pages link in the expanded left side menu under content. Your auto location pages are essentially a mirror or copy of the homepage, but with different shortcode information automatically inserted. So in this example, my homepage and primary market location were set for Nashville, Tennessee. But here you can see that we've also created auto location pages for the state of Tennessee as well as 3 surrounding areas. On the location pages for Brentwood, Tennessee and Franklin, Tennessee, you can see that the design changes I've already made to my homepage have been reflected automatically on these location pages. The only thing that's different is where the shortcodes appear, a different market city is placed here. Now, because your auto location pages automatically reflect any changes made to your homepage, it's important not to delete these shortcodes such as market city or market state, but you'll also want to keep in mind that any information you add to your homepage should also be relevant when it's reflected on your other local market area pages that you serve. Now, we know we've covered a lot in this video, so thanks for sticking with us. Be sure to bookmark our Getting Started guide in our Help Center and check out our other Getting Started video tutorials. which will dive even deeper into how to edit your homepage with our visual editor and how to customize the design elements of your website. If you're looking to get started fast, be sure to take advantage of some of our done-for-you marketplace services like our quick start or concierge setup options. Remember, search engine optimization is a long-term strategy, and it can typically take 4 to 12 months to see significant results from SEO efforts. But when combined with other marketing efforts such as pay-per-click advertising, social media, direct mail, we've seen it pay off big for members over the long run. If your business needs leads fast, check out our marketplace pay-per-lead vendors or PPC and Facebook ad providers. Be sure to explore all of the resources that Carrot provides, including our help center, Facebook community, coaching call recordings, and much more. And don't forget about that blue chat icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. There you can always find your built-in site setup checklist to track your progress, and you can always send us a message or ask us a question. Our live chat support is available Mondays through Fridays, 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. Pacific, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern. Thanks for watching, and thanks for being part of the Carrot family.